Middle game of this 3-game series, the Pelicans and the Frederick Keys here from the Grand Strand. Let's take a look at tonight's highlights.
Frederick ahead 3-0, one out and a runner on second in the fourth. Jeffrey Baez, line drive, base hit to left. DJ Stewart gets the ball in quickly, so Bodie has to hold at third. Nice sunset, but then the ball gets by Jomar Reyes all the way to the backstop. Bodie scampers in to score the first run of the game, 3-1 Keys. Clifton in the fifth, striking out DJ Stewart. Kang, Winston Sawyer, and then how about striking out the side? 2, 3, and 4 go down in the order for Frederick. Otterly and Rodriguez, another strikeout victim. Clifton fanned 6 in 6 innings. Second and third for Myrtle Beach in the sixth. Eric Castillo, little harmless ground ball that somehow squirts to the infield for a base hit, scoring Vossler and the Birds pull to within 1. Then Tyler Pearson, Miller Mott moment of the game, squeeze punt, executed perfectly to tie the game at 3. Still 3-3 in the 8th. Cam Nealon comes through his 6th straight multi-hit game. That brings in DJ Stewart, and the Keys take a 4-3 lead and use the flame-throwing lefty Tanner Scott for his 5th save of the year, en route to a 4-3 edging of Myrtle Beach. 2 hits for Castillo, including that RBI. Baez had 2 hits. Bodie reached base 3 times, 2 walks and 1 single. Vossler an RBI double, and the Pelicans bullpen, for the most part, solid, but Tommy Thorpe takes the loss after the inherited runner scored with Dowry Torres in the mound. Clifton threw well as a starting pitcher, getting better and better as the game went on. 3 runs on 6 hits in 6 innings for a quality start. So the Pelicans lose the middle game, rubber game tomorrow. Hannah, let's take a look at the upcoming promotion.
Thank you, Scott. Well, we have game 2 of the series on Friday. Make sure to get here early for that player autograph session, and also stick around post-game because kids get to run the bases after the game. Gates are going to open at 6. Game starts at 7:05. We'll see you at the ballpark.